Isa sa pinakamagandang nangyari sa pag-tour ko sa Japan, ang ma-meet ang Filipino-Japanese sa lansangan. Buhay, good morning everyone. And ito po ang Japanese o Filipino who can... anong pangalan mo? Kyle. Tinuruan niya ako ng direction going to my Mount Fuji tour kung saan naka-standby ang bus. Okay, maraming salamat pa.
Wala naman po. Enjoy po.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Happy New Year po, everyone. See you in July. Kasi yeah.
See you in July, why?
Exactly.
You're going back to Philippines?
Exactly. Yeah. In Quezon City.
In Quezon City. Are you studying there or with your family?
My family po.
May yung pamilya mo. Okay, maraming salamat.
Enjoy po.
Kyle, take care.